Good morning, all of you. How are you, my dear children? I hope you are good at your home. Okay. So even though today's schools are closed, but our students are doing very well through online teaching. Okay. And all the best, my dear children, for this online learning. Today I'm here for the online lecture, and I'm very happy to be here. Uh, okay. So again, I welcome to all of you. Uh, Now I want to share my screen with you. Welcome all of you for this today's online history lecture. See, Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation started online education, English medium school. Today's subject is history of 7th standard, and today's topic is lesson number 12, Progression of the Empire, part 1. It is for standard 7th. Okay, my name is myself Sarita Konde, and so before starting this lesson today's, I just want to revise the content which I taught you already. Okay, so till the last chapter we have studied the rise of the Maratha power and the development from the foundation of the Swarajya till its expansion into empire. We all know Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He established Swarajya in the Maharashtra in very adverse condition and turned this Swarajya into Surajya because he started or he established Swarajya for the welfare of the people. Then he turned the Swarajya into Surajya, and later this Swarajya became a powerful empire in the India. But it was not very easy task. It was very difficult, and due to the efforts and sacrifice of the many brave Mamlas and experienced Sardar, the Maratha Empire spread up to Delhi. So today in this lesson, we are going to learn the Sardar families who gave their valuable contribution for expanding the Maratha kingdom in the northern parts of India. In the southern part, that means in the south, Shivaji Maharaj had good command over the Swarajya. But to make the Swarajya powerful, or to make the command or expanding the Swarajya or Maratha power into the north, some Sardar families, they have their valuable contribution in this work. So we will learn these Sardar families. For example, Holkar family, then Shinde dynasty, Nagpur, Bhosle of Nagpur dynasty. So about this Sardar family, we will know about step by step. Okay. So first Sardar family, that is the Holkars of Indore. Indore is a state in Madhya Pradesh, and the Holkar established their rules in Madhya Pradesh at Indore. Okay. The Holkars were general under Peshwa Bajirao first and later became Maharajas of Indore in central India. Bajirao first, that means he was the son of first Peshwa, that is Balaji Vishwanath. So in his period, the Holkars were the general in his army, and they established their rule in Indore in the central India. See, the founder of Holkar rule at Indore, he is Malharrao Holkar. See again, Malharrao Holkar. He was the founder of Holkar rule at Indore. It is a photo of Malharrao Holkar. Can you see this? Next, see, Malharrao Holkar, he joined the service of Peshwas of Maratha Empire in 1721 and served the Maratha state for a long time. Malharrao Holkar, he was well versed in guerrilla warfare. I think you have know what is it guerrilla warfare. Guerrilla warfare, that is the war technique. Okay, so and this guerrilla warfare is known as in Marathi it is called as Ganimi Kawa, or the another name for this guerrilla warfare or guerrilla tactics, that is Shivasutra. Shivasutra, and because it was established by or it was started by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Next, Malharrao Holkar proved his valor in the northern campaigns of the Marathas at the time of Bajirao Peshwa first and Nana Sahib Peshwa. See again about the guerrilla tactics. Guerrilla tactics or the Ganimikawa, that means a surprise attack on a enemy's huge enemy's army and devastate their camp before they get ready for the battle. With these tactics, only Shivaji Maharaj established their Swarajya and they fought against the powerful armies like Mughal, Adil Shah, Nizam Shah. Okay, so these were the enemies of Shivaji Maharaj, and in this situation, also Shivaji Maharaj they established a Swarajya for the people. Malhara Holkar was instrumental in establishing the Maratha supremacy in the Malwa and Rajputana region. Okay, Malhara Holkar. He helped his great contribution in the establishing the Maratha supremacy in the north part, that is the Malwa and Rajputana region. Okay, you can see in this map the Malwa region. See here. Okay, and this is Rajputana. As Malhara Holkar was a general in Peshwa's army, he proved to be a great help to Peshwa Madhavrao. Madhavrao, he was the son of Nana Sahib Peshwa. After the death of Vishwasrao in Panipat or Nana Sahib Peshwa, he became the Peshwa of Maratha Empire. He revived the Maratha prestige in the north after the defeat at Panipat. We have learned about the Panipat battle. It was a great battle at the Panipat. Even the Marathas defeated in this battle, but the valor they show is written in the golden words in history. So it was very severe battle which was fought between Ahmad Shah Abdali and Marathas. So after this battle, Marathas suffered heavy loss and to reviving the prestige of Marathi in the north, Malhara Holkar, he helped Peshwa Madhavrao. So it was about Malhara Holkar. Malhara Holkar, he was the founder of Holkar rule at Indore. Now see the now Punya Shlok Ahilyabai Holkar. She was a great woman. Ahilyabai Holkar. Before telling in detail about Ahilyabai Holkar, I just want to share a story with you of Ahilyabai Holkar. Would you like to listen the story? Do you like to listen the story? Hello, children. Hello.
Yes, miss.
Huh. So listen carefully the story. Ahilyabai Holkar, once the elder Bajirao Peshwa, that means Bajirao first, okay? When Bajirao Peshwa's army was stationed in the town of Chaundi. Chaundi, it is the birthplace of Ahilyabai Holkar. So the Bajirao Peshwa's army was stationed in the town of Chaundi. Okay, Ahilyabai Holkar, she was small child. When she was child. She went with her mother to the temple on the bank of the river Sina. Okay, so Sina it was a river, and she went with her mother on the bank of the river Sina. There, she made a Shiva Linga while playing with her friends in the sand on the bank of the river. What she made? A Shiva Linga. Okay. Next, what happened? Suddenly, a horse from the army of Bajirao Peshwa got wild and started galloping towards the kids. Ahilyabai friends ran away. By seeing this, Ahilyabai friends ran away, but Ahilyabai Holkar covered Shivalinga with her body to protect it. Next, Bajirao Peshwa appeared on the scene. What happened? What happened? And asked Ahilya, Did you realize that the horse would have trampled you? But Ahilyabai Holkar looked straight into his eyes and boldly stated, I have created the Shivalinga, and my elders had taught us to lay down our life to protect our creation. And that is exactly what I did. By hearing this, Bajira was very pleased to hear these courageous answers from Ahilya. The person accompanying with Bajirao Peshwa was Malharrao Holkar, and he was also so impressed that, and that time only he decided to bring Ahilyabai Holkar home as his daughter-in-law. And Ahilyabai Holkar also proved that her father-in-law's decision was correct. Okay, so it was happened with Ahilyabai Holkar when she was very small. So, do you like this story? Did you like this story? Hello?
Yes, miss.
Okay. See, now we will see about Ahilyabai Holkar. Ahilyabai Holkar, she was wife of Khanderao Holkar. Khanderao Holkar, he was the son of Malharrao Holkar. See, his son Khanderao Holkar, son of Malharrao Holkar. But he died in the Battle of Kumbheri. When Khanderao Holkar died, Ahilyabai was only 29 years age. Now see the qualities of Ahilyabai Holkar. Ahilyabai Holkar, she was a capable, astute and excellent administration because after the death of Khanderao and after Khanderao's death, Malhar Rao also died after 12 years. And after that, her son Malerao died in 1767. So it was very bad condition, and in this condition also she stood undeterred, and she ascended the throne and became the ruler of Indore in 1767. Okay, even she was alone. That means her father-in-law, her husband, and her only son, they died. Then also he administered the Indore state very well. She was excellent administrator. She was very generous, and she had a great love of books. Ahilyabai Holkar, she was born in village of Chondi in Zamkhed, Ahmednagar of Maharashtra district. Okay, but her work was mostly in and around Madhya Pradesh. She was a great pioneer and a builder of Hindu temples. She built hundreds of temples and dharmashalas throughout India, and she is honored as Punyashlok as her social work is still held as ideal. See, what is the work done by Ahilyabai Holkar? Ahilyabai Holkar made new laws for agriculture, revenue collection, and put the affairs of the state in order. Next, she strove to bring more and more land under cultivation, digging wells for farmers, promoting trade and industry, building lakes and tanks. Ahilyabai Holkar also built temples, ghats, mutt, dharmashalas, drinking water facilities at all important places of pilgrimage in the four quarters of India. See, it is an example of the temple. It is the Somnath temple. Okay, this temple was built in the 1783 with the help of Peshwa, and this temple is also known as Old Somnath Temple or Ahilyabai Temple. And this is the ghat which built on the Narmada River. This ghat is known as the Narmada River Ghat at Maheshwar. So it was about Ahilyabai Holkar. Did you understand who was Ahilyabai Holkar? Ahilyabai Holkar. She was the daughter-in-law of Malhara Holkar and wife of Khanderao Holkar. See, Ahilyabai looked into judicial matters personally and dispensed justice. She brought peace and order to her kingdom and made her people happy. After the Ahilyabai Holkar, Yashwantrao Holkar tried to save the Maratha kingdom when it was on the decline. That means he was the last uh, Sardar from the Holkar family who tried to save the Maratha kingdom. He is Yashwantrao Holkar, son of Tukoji Holkar. Okay, so this was about Ahilyabai Holkar and Holkar families or Holkar rule in Indore. The next famous Maratha Sardar family, that is the Bhosles of Nagpur. The Bhosle family of Nagpur. See, the Parsoji Bhosle was given the Jagir of Varad and Gondwan during the reign of Shahu Maharaj. Shahu Maharaj, was the son of Sambhaji Maharaj. Okay, so during his period, Parsoji Bhosle, a great Maratha Sardar, was given the Jagir of Varad and Gondwan during the reign of Shahu Maharaj. See, it is a Jagir of Bhosle families, Varad and Gondwan. See about the Raghuji Bhosle. Among the Bhosle families, Raghuji Bhosle, he was the most capable and bravest man. See, the bravest and the most capable amongst the Bhosles of Nagpur. Raghuji Bhosle, he brought the area surrounding Trichurapalli and Arcot in the south under Maratha dominance. It is the Trichurapalli. Is it looking to all? Yes, children. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is the screen visible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you audible to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, see, Shahu Maharaj had assigned to Raghuji Bhosle the Chothai rights of Bengal, Bihar, and Odisha. Okay, so we have seen what is the Chothai, the one-fourth part of the revenue. So that the Chothai rights he had given, so Shahu Maharaj had assigned to Raghuji Bhosle. Of which region? Bengal, Bihar, and Odisha. See, it was a Jagir of Raghuji Bhosle or the Bhosle families. Bihar, Odisha, and Bengal. Raghuji Bhosle, he brought these territories, that means Bengal, Bihar, and Odisha, under the Maratha dominance. Next, see, in 1751 CE, the Bhosles of Nagpur won the Odisha territory from Ali Vardi Khan. See again, in 1751 CE, the Bhosle of Nagpur, they won the Odisha territory, which is a part of India. It is the one of the state in India, and they won this Odisha's territory from Ali Vardi Khan. See, you can see here in the Odisha state or Odisha territory, there are 30 districts 476 sub-district, 223 towns, then 51,313 villages and 315 city blocks. It is a territory of Odisha state. Okay, and it is a photo of Alivardi Khan. So, students, again, I want to revise this topic or revise these points to you. Here in this lesson, we have learned about the families, the great Maratha Sardar families. First one is the Holkar family. Then next one is the Bhosle family of Nagpur. See the Holkars of Indore. And we know the Holkars, the founder of Holkar family or the Holkar rule, who was at Mallarao Holkar. He founded the Holkar rule in or at Indore. Next, see, Malharao, he joined the service of Peshwa of Maratha Empire in 1721 and he served the Maratha state for a long time. He was well versed in guerrilla tactics or guerrilla warfare, that means the Ganimikawa, which used by Shivaji Maharaj very effectively in the work of Swarajya. And Malhara Holkar, he proved his valor in the campaign, in the northern campaign of Marathas at the time of Bajirao Peshwa first and Nana Sahib Peshwa. Mallara Holkar was also instrumental in establishing the Maratha supremacy in the Malwa and Rajputana region. Mallara Holkar proved to be a great help to Peshwa Madhavrao in the reviving the Maratha prestige in the north after the defeat at Panipat. Then Punyashlok Ahilyabai Holkar, she was the wife of Khanderao Holkar. Khanderao Holkar, he was the son of Malharao Holkar. He died in the Battle of Kumbheri. Ahilyabai Holkar was a capable, astute, and excellent administrator. She was very generous. She had great love of books. Ahilyabai Holkar made new laws for agricultural sales, revenue collection, etc., and put the affairs of the state in order. She strove to bring more and more land under cultivation, digging wells for farmers, promoting trade and industry, building lakes and tanks. She built temples, ghats, mudds, dharmashalas, drinking water facilities at the all important places of pilgrimage in the four quarters of India. It is an example of a temple which built at Somnath, and this temple is also known as Old Somnath or the Temple of Ahilyabai or Ahilyabai Temple. It is a ghat built on the river Narmada at Maheshwar. Ahilyabai looked into judicial matters personally and she dispensed justice. She brought peace and order to her kingdom and made her people happy. Yashwantrao Holkar, he tried to save the Maratha kingdom when it was on the decline. He was the son of Tukoji Holkar. Tukoji Holkar, he was the adopted son of Malhara, the second famous Sardar family, that is the Bhosles of Nagpur. The Parsoji Bhosle was given the Jagir of Varhad and Gondwan during the reign of Shahu Maharaj. It is a region of the Varad, which was the Jagir of Bhosle family, and it's the Gondwan. See about the Raghuji Bhosle. Raghuji Bhosle, he was the bravest and the most capable Sardar amongst the Bhosles of Nagpur. He brought the area surrounding Tiruchirappalli and Arcot in the south under Maratha dominance. It is a photo of Tiruchirappalli. Shahu Maharaj had assigned to Raghuji Bhosle the Chauthai rights of Bengal, Bihar, and Odisha region. Chauthai right, that means the 1/4 part of the revenue collection. So that Chauthai rights Shahu Maharaj had assigned to Raghuji Bhosle. It is the region of Bhosle family or the Bhosle's Jagir. He brought these territories, that means Bengal, Odisha, and Bihar. This territory he brought under the Maratha dominance. In 1751 CE, the Bhosles of Nagpur won the Odisha territory from Alivardi Khan. It is the Odisha and it is the photo of Alivardi Khan. So this was about the Holkar family and the Maratha Bhosle of Nagpur. And this is the Maratha ditch. Okay, Maratha ditch, that is the ditch British at Kolkata used to tear the used to fear the Bhosles from Nagpur. So, to protect the city of Kolkata from a possible Maratha attack, British dug a ditch around the city, and this ditch came to be known as the Maratha ditch. Okay, see, now I just want to ask you some questions. Try to give the answers. Okay, the first question: who was the founder of Holkar rule at Indore? Hello, who will give me answer?
Miss, I will give.
Hi, yes.
Malharrao Holkar was the founder of Holkar rule at Indore.
Exactly. Your answer is correct. Malharra Holkar, who was the founder of Holkar rule at Indore. Malharra Holkar was the founder of Holkar rule at Indore. What is your name, beta?
Aditi.
Okay, very good, Aditi. Question number 2. Who will read out this question?
Miss, I will.
Hi, yes. Read the question, beta.
Hello, Miss.
Hello.
Hello.
Read the second number question. Just read out.
Who took the charge of Indore administration after Mallarrao's death?
Very good. Okay, so anybody know the answer? Who took the charge of Indore administration after Mallar Rao's death?
Miss, can I tell?
Yes.
Ahilyabai Holkar
Okay,
took the
very
charge
good.
of Indore administration
Very
after
good.
Mallarrao's death.
Correct. Ahilyabai Holkar took the charge of Indore administration after Mallar Rao's death. Okay. Next. Ahilyabai Holkar took the charge of Indore administration after Mallar Rao's death. Next question. Just read this lesson. Who will read?
Miss, can I
Miss,
read?
I will.
Ha. Next students, read the question.
In which
In
battle
which
did Khanderao Holkar died?
Ha. In which battle did Khanderao Holkar died?
In the
Yes.
battle of Kumberi, Khanderao Holkar died.
Yes, yes. Your answer is correct. Khanderao Holkar died in the battle of Kumbhairi. Very good, children. Next question.
Miss, can I read?
Yes.
Who tried to save the Maratha kingdom when it was on the decline?
Huh. Okay. Now, any other result? Who know the answer? Who's
Miss,
getting the
repeat the
answer of this?
question. Miss, repeat the question.
Who tried to save the Maratha kingdom when it was on the decline?
Yashwantrao
Yashwantrao
Holkar.
Holkar tried to save the Maratha kingdom when it was on the decline.
Okay, very good. Yashwantrao Holkar tried to save the Maratha kingdom when it was on the decline. Absolutely correct. Very good, beta. Next. Okay. Now, who will read this question? Please, students.
Miss, I will.
Yes.
What Jagir was given Parsoji Bhosle during the region of Shahu Maharaj?
Okay. What Jagir was given Parsoji Bhosle during the reign of Shahu Maharaj? Okay. Now, who will tell me the answer?
बोलो कृष्णा
Miss,
आंसर
I will.
आंसर
A boy is interested to give the answer. Yes.
व्हाट
At a time, hello students. At a time, only one can say the answer. Okay. Give the chance to others also. Yes.
Miss,
मैं बोल रहा हूँ
Yes, yes, yes. बोलो बेटा.
बोलेगा आगे का
the
See, Parsoji Bhosle given the Jagir of Varad and Gondwan during the reign of Shahu Maharaj. Okay, it is the answer of this question. The Jagir of Varad and Gondwan. Okay. The next question. Who was the most capable and brave man in the Bhosle family of Nagpur? Hello, who is going to give me answer? Who was the most capable and brave man in Bhosle family of Nagpur?
Miss, I will give.
Yes.
Raghuji Bhosle.
Raghuji Bhosle. Okay, correct. Raghuji Bhosle was the most capable and brave man in Bhosle family of Nagpur. Next question. Just now, who will read it?
me.
Miss, I will read.
Miss, I read.
Yes, now you better read.
Which territory was captured by Bhosles of Nagpur from Alivardi Khan in 1751 CE?
Very good. Which territory was captured by Bhosles of Nagpur from Alivardi Khan in 1751 CE? So, give me the answer.
Alivardi Khan. उड़ीसा जाएंगे ना कहाँ पे है ओडिशा
The territory,
Okay, very
Odisha
good.
territory was captured by Bhosles of Nagpur from Alivardi Khan in 1751 CE.
Correct. The territory of Odisha was captured by Bhosles of Nagpur from Alivardi Khan in 1751 CE. Okay, so very good students. You are given all the answers correctly. That means I hope you have understood the topic well. Yes, am I right? Have you understood the topic?
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, if you have any doubt about this topic or about this point which I have cleared now, which I taught now, you can ask me. If you not understood anything, or if you have any doubt about this topic, then you can ask me. Hello, students. And now you can write down these question answers and take these question answers for learning also. Learn these question answers very well. Okay. Take your time and write down. When your first slide is over, just tell me to change the slide. First of all, tell me, do you have any doubt about this lesson, this topic?
No.
Miss next slide दिखाओ ना screenshot लेने.
Are you taking screenshot of the slides?
Yes.
Okay.
Next, please.
Miss cultivation मतलब?
To growing the crops.
Okay. Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Welcome. Is it over? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Over this, have you taken the screenshots of the slides?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
And
miss.
the part which I have taught, you just read out again. Okay. And if possible, then read about the Ahilyabai Holkar. About her, it is available in different books. So it is very inspirational for us. So try to read about Ahilyabai Holkar. Thank you, all of you, my dear students. And